Ying Primary School presents Chronicle of the Elemental Compass.
Max, check this out. I found a weird wooden box in the back of the storage room.
Jake, we're supposed to be looking for props, not playing with antiques. Logic says we should leave it alone.
But I want to open it. It's a brass compass. But look at the symbols. Earth, water, air, and fire.
That's impossible. It's not even pointing north. This can't be a compass.
Look, it's starting to glow. It's like it's waking up.
Hey, we're spinning. What's happening?
To find your way, you must first light the way for those in the dark.
My brain feels like a whirlpool. Jake, look. Look up at the horizon.
Look, is that the Eiffel Tower? But it's only half finished. It looks like a giant iron and steel skeleton.
Wow, I recall its construction started back in 1887. That means we're possibly in 1888 now. We've really traveled back in time.
Who are you kids? Stay back! The fading fire is consuming everything we have. We used to be a united and caring community. However, after the fire, everyone started feuding. The soil is dying and the well is dry. Now we have absolutely nothing to eat. Yes, our whole lot is starving to death.
Jake, look. The water symbol is entirely dark.
When unity fails, light fades. To save them and yourselves, you must light up the hope of this community. To do so, you have to show the four elements of unity. Earth represents your effort. Air is your strategy. Fire is your caring heart. Last but not the least, water showcases your unity.
We can't just wait in the dark. Max, if we build a water channel, we can save the crops.
Now we need everyone to work perfectly together to make the solution come true.
Listen, grab your shovels. This is Earth, our shared effort. We can restore stability to this unstable community.
Wait! We need to fix the slope of the channel. Otherwise, it won't work. Silas, bring in the stone-laying team from the community. That's Air, our strategy.
Silas, you're exhausted. Swap your place with me. We've got this. Thank you, Elias.
That's Fire. The hearts took care for each other.
We're almost done.
The last segment is in. We are the water, flowing as one. Now we have all of the four pillars. Happiness and peace will come back to this land soon. The fading fire is gone. I hope nothing bad will happen to this land from now on.
It worked. The fading fire is turning to smoke now. Look at the sky! The light is back!
Hooray! It's extinguished.
The compass is pulling us back, Jake. Woohoo! Our work here is successfully completed.
I guess it is time for us to go home. Goodbye, Silas and Elias.
Goodbye. Thank you for helping and saving us.
Excellent work. You've realized that when you light up the lives of others, you light the path for yourself. Unity isn't about finishing a task. It's about turning our individual sparks into a flame that helps everyone find their way.